That photo turned out great.
Awesome. You have to send that to me later.
This is gonna be the best trip ever.
Cheap travel tips: travel more, spend less. Traveling does not have to be expensive. Many people think travel is only for rich people, but this is not true. With the right planning and smart choices, you can travel the world on a small budget. In this video, I will share simple and practical cheap travel tips. These tips will help you save money on transport, food, hotels, and activities. If you love traveling but worry about money, this video is for you. Let's start. Tip 1. Plan your trip early. Planning early is one of the best ways to save money. When you plan your trip in advance, you get more options. Flights, buses, and trains are cheaper when booked early. Hotels also offer lower prices if you book before the travel season. Early planning gives you time to compare prices and choose the best deals. Last-minute travel is usually expensive, so try to plan ahead. Tip 2. Be flexible with dates. Flexibility can save you a lot of money. Traveling on weekends and holidays is expensive. Try to travel on weekdays instead. Flights on Tuesday or Wednesday are often cheaper. Avoid peak seasons like school holidays and festivals. If your dates are flexible, you can find better deals and cheaper tickets. Tip 3. Use budget airlines. Budget airlines are a great option for cheap travel. These airlines offer low prices but fewer services. You may not get free food or extra luggage, but the ticket price is much lower. Always read the rules before booking. If you travel light, budget airlines are perfect for you. Tip 4. Travel light. Traveling with less luggage saves money. Many airlines charge extra for bags. If you carry only a backpack or small bag, you can avoid extra fees. Packing light also makes travel easier and faster. You don't need many clothes. Choose clothes that you can mix and wear again. Tip 5. Compare prices online. Never book the first option you see. Use travel websites and apps to compare prices. Check different websites for flights, hotels, and buses. Sometimes the same hotel has different prices on different platforms. Comparing prices helps you find the cheapest option. Tip 6. Choose budget accommodation. You don't need expensive hotels to enjoy your trip. Budget hotels, hostels, and guest houses are good choices. Hostels are cheap and great for meeting new people. Guest houses offer a local experience at a low cost. You can also consider homestays for a comfortable and affordable stay. Tip 7. Stay longer in one place. Moving from one place to another costs money. Transport adds up quickly. Staying longer in one place helps you save money. Many hotels give discounts for longer stays. You also save on transport and enjoy the place more deeply. Tip 8. Use public transport. Public transport is much cheaper than taxis. Buses, trains, and metro systems help you save money. Many cities offer daily or weekly travel passes at low prices. Walking is also a great option. It is free and helps you explore the city better. Tip 9. Eat like a local. Food is a big travel expense. Avoid tourist restaurants because they are expensive. Eat where local people eat. Street food is often cheap and tasty. Local markets offer fresh and affordable meals. Cooking your own food is another great way to save money if your accommodation allows it. Tip 10. Carry a reusable water bottle. Buying bottled water every day is expensive. Carry a reusable water bottle. In many places, you can refill it for free. This small habit saves money and helps the environment. Tip 11. Avoid tourist traps. Tourist attractions are often overpriced. Do some research before visiting places. Many cities have free attractions like parks, museums on free days, and historical areas. Ask locals for recommendations. They know the best and cheapest places. Tip 12. Use free activities. Not everything fun costs money. Enjoy free walking tours, beaches, nature trails, and public events. Many cities offer free cultural shows and festivals. These activities help you enjoy the destination without spending much. Tip 13. Travel overnight. Overnight buses or trains save money on accommodation. You travel and sleep at the same time. This is a smart way to save one night's hotel cost. It also saves time during your trip. Tip 14. Use travel rewards and discounts. Look for discounts, promo codes, and offers. Some credit cards give travel rewards and cashback. Student and youth discounts are available in many places. Always ask if a discount is available. Tip 15. Avoid currency exchange at airports. Currency exchange at airports is expensive. The rates are very high. Exchange money in the city or use an ATM. Using a travel debit card is also a good option. It helps you avoid extra charges. Tip 16. Travel with friends. Traveling with friends reduces costs. You can share hotel rooms, transport, and food expenses. Group travel is cheaper than solo travel in many cases. You also feel safer and enjoy more. Tip 17. Set a daily budget. Before your trip, decide how much you want to spend each day. This helps you control your expenses. Track your spending daily. If you spend less one day, you can enjoy more the next day. Tip 18. Buy local SIM cards. International roaming is expensive. Buy a local SIM card or use Wi-Fi. Local SIM cards are cheap and help you use maps and apps easily. This saves money and makes travel simple. Tip 19. Travel slow. Slow travel means spending more time in fewer places. This reduces transport costs and stress. You get to know the culture better and spend less money. Slow travel is good for your budget and your experience. Tip 20. Learn basic local words. Knowing basic local words helps you avoid tourist prices. Locals appreciate it when you try to speak their language. They may offer better prices and help you more. Simple words can save you money and improve your travel experience. Final thoughts. Traveling on a budget is not about missing fun. It is about making smart choices. Cheap travel tips help you explore more places without stress. You don't need luxury to enjoy travel. Memories matter more than money. With planning, flexibility, and simple habits, you can travel more and spend less. If you found these cheap travel tips helpful, like the video, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Keep exploring the world on a budget, and remember, travel smart, travel happy.